Cranfield University is the latest to join the project. Cranfield University, a public research university based in the UK, joined a Moog aircraft-led research collaboration to develop innovative hydrogen aviation technologies to support the future of liquid hydrogen gas turbine fuel system. The Hydrogen Aviation Technology Project is focused on developing technologies for future large commercial aircraft. The plan is for the researchers to create and demonstrate the use of a system to control fuel in engines powered by hydrogen fuel. Specifically, Cranfield University will use its expertise in the modeling, performance assessment, and dynamic behavior of the hydrogen fuel system to support the aviation research that is being carried out. We are proud to be a part of this groundbreaking collaboration, driving innovation in the development of liquid hydrogen gas turbine fuel systems for large commercial aircraft, said Dr. Theocles Nicolaides, reader in gas turbine performance and numerical simulation at Cranfield University. This initiative represents a significant step forward in sustainable aviation. The Sustainable Hydrogen Aviation Initiative will support the requirements of next-gen aircraft. In addition to Cranfield University researchers, the University of Bath, Carter Manufacturing, and Curtiss-Wright Corporation's Sensors Division are also taking part in the project. We are delighted to have pulled together such a strong group of companies to collaborate with on this important sustainable aviation initiative, said Mark Lawton, General Manager of Moog Aircraft. Moog have a great history of solving difficult technical challenges, and our experience with engine fuel control valves and hydrogen should put us in a good position to develop the products required by a new generation of aircraft engines. The Hydrogen Aviation Project is funded by the Aerospace Technology Institute Program and Innovative UK. It has the technical support of engine manufacturer GE Aerospace. The project is part of the Future Engine Technology for the Control of Hydrogen initiative, which is focused on the development of hydrogen fuel controls for aircraft jet engines from current low TRL technology. The project's testing of the hydrogen fuel system is slated for early 2026. Finding this video interesting? Hit subscribe and grab our newest ebook on the link below, and leave us a comment. Thank you.